What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's a few days before we leave for Daytona, and I wanted to show you what camera gear I'm bringing. You know, I was trying to pack light, and we really have to pack light because I don't want to be bringing all this camera equipment with me, even though it would be nice to bring everything. But I actually tried to condense most of all my stuff to a few things, and instead of vlogging on the RX Mark 7, that's the Sony camera, I decided to use some of the GoPro stuff to vlog on. Just for the fact sometimes, you know, the stabilization on the GoPros are a lot better. But I'm going to leave that camera at home, the Sony RX Mark 7. But I am still bringing a camera, which I haven't gotten out of my camera bag out yet. And that'll just be for stills and stuff, and I'll show you that in a little bit. But first, this is what I'm using to vlog with, to actually motovlog with, vlog with, and, you know, to get some B-roll stuff. So let's check it out. Alright, so here it is. All the stuff that I'm bringing to Daytona. So we'll go from left to right. First off, I got the suction cup mount. That's always a great item that you could put on the bag, saddlebags, a windshield, and it'll stick. I never had a problem with it yet. You know, I do get a little nervous with it just for the fact that, you know, I do put cages on my cameras. I don't want it to be too heavy, but in the right situations, I use that a lot. And then below that is my lens filters, and that go with the GoPro. You know, they're just backups, lens filters, and, you know, there's different stops and stuff. So they're basically sunglasses for your camera, so you can get that cinematic look. Instead of, you know, it looking like a TV show, it looks like more of a movie. So, and then I have two battery packs. I got a white one and a black one under it. Those are good just for the fact that I don't have to bring extra batteries for the GoPros. I only have 3 for 2 of them, and the actual, when I'm vlogging off the bike, you could actually use one of them to run a battery to the GoPro 8, and, you know, you don't have to charge your battery, and those things last forever. You know, and then the Insta360 with the same thing. You could just plug it in directly if you're going to vlog with it. If you need to charge this stuff while you're just hanging out and, you know, just walking around, you can while, you know, you're just doing your thing. So I like to bring the battery packs, and plus I use it to charge my phone too. So that's a good thing too. And then I have my Tascam mic, just in case, you know, you want to get nice clean audio. I could hook it up and then, you know, just have to sync it in post. Then next to it, I got this nice, it's an external hard drive. It's called from Gnarbox. I like to back up all my stuff at the end of the day. And what I like about that is you can just take the memory cards and back up all your files. I tend to not delete any of the files on actual memory card, but I plug it into the Gnarbox and it backs up everything. So if it's on the Gnarbox already, downloaded it to the Gnarbox, you know, it's a nice, safe way to back up all your footage. So, you know, like big trips like this, you don't want to lose any footage. It's happened to me before when I went to Tennessee. I took a couple pictures, Barber CVO, and that not SSD, the actual SanDisk card failed on me. I didn't have any pictures, so I didn't have a backup. I did everything with my RX-7, and it doesn't have dual card slots, so that was pretty of a bummer. But, you know, then I have my Insta360 with the, I usually use like a lot of the Ulanzi, it's called. They're all like clamps and cages, and, you know, they have all these awesome things for GoPro, for regular cameras. Like I said, I like to use the camera cages just to protect it. You know, you are investing into these cameras, and they're, you know, $300-400 a pop, so you don't want to break it. Actually, funny story, when we're coming back from get lowered, the chin mount on my helmet, the sticky, it was a hot day, the sticky failed. And actually, the GoPro Hero 8, if I didn't have the cage on it, rolled down the street at 20 miles an hour. That was a pretty scary thing, but the camera was okay. The only thing I did have to replace was the lens filter. The lens filter protected the actual lens of the camera, so that was a good thing. So I will be mostly vlogging with this one. This is the GoPro Hero 8. You have a Ulanzi tripod with the camera cage. This is a variable ND filter. I like the variable ND filters because then you can actually change, you know, how dark or how light it is depending on your situation. So I can get that cinematic footage. Here's my GoPro Hero 7 moto vlog with that because it really doesn't fail me. With the GoPro Hero 8, I'm being very honest with you. If you're charging it, sometimes when you unplug it and saying it's ready to go, it's charged, you got to pull the battery out, put the battery back in. It's a big pain in the butt, especially when you're on the bike and everyone's about to leave. So the GoPro Hero 7 doesn't do that to me. You know, you could charge it, starts right up, starts recording. So that's what, you know, I really like. And then one of the last things, I have this awesome light. You could actually stick that light on the phone I have right now, which is the Google Pixel 5. You could put it around the lens. If you're vlogging in the middle of the night or at night, you get a nice light source on your face and it won't be dark everywhere. So this is basically the setup I'm bringing with me to Daytona. I have one other camera that I did not take out yet. I have to actually clean it and prep it before I even take it out. It's been a while since I used it, but I'll show you that right now. So this is the last piece of the puzzle. My Fuji X-T2. This is a Fuji camera. I've had this camera for about 4 years. I don't want to give it up. I don't want to sell it, even though I have the Sony camera. There's something about this camera that I love. Let's put it down for a second real quick. Extended battery pack on it. But yeah, it just looks like an old school camera, but it's a digital camera, which I really love. So this is going to be on me at all times, you know, photographing the event, photographing everything that we come across. And so this is what I want to bring. You know, I have all these other things with me here. The GoPro Hero 7 on my helmet just now. I'm going to travel light. Hopefully everything will fit in the bag. I do have a bigger bag for all this stuff, but I think I'm going to try to fit it in my small over-the-shoulder bag and just keep that over-the-shoulder bag in the hotel or on the bike. So there you have it. So that's what I'm going to bring to Daytona, guys. All my camera equipment. Obviously, you know, I have to pack my other things, clothes, underwear. But that's secondary, to tell you the truth. It's going to be hot down there. Maybe I'll ride in the Speedo. Who knows? But yeah, this is all the stuff I'm bringing. And I just wanted to show you guys real quick. So if you like today's video, please hit that subscribe button. Also hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. All the links for the equipment will be down below. I am affiliate linked with Adorama. They're an awesome camera company. You know, I get back a little kickback. It helps the channel if you buy any of these things off of their site. And if you don't find it there on Adorama, I'll leave the links below for Amazon too. All right, so you have a great day. I'll see you guys down in Daytona. Peace.